lami result jongka LDA bat jongka excise jongka MPSC boleh pun bibro kajeng tip namta ki result bala penmi menta kasni po ka MPSC tegi labun bahagi bakalis pangini result lami ami kidon wong all ami menta terte menta kasni kalami ka result tegi tu balai tho tesa check urun bar jong ade pi qualify na em na kineki atli exam namta ka assistant inspector of excise ki ba qualify kidon hadu lipo tamai lipo plus a kidon dengan police way kane the result of screening test to the post of assistant inspector of excise under the commissioner of excise November 2024 held on 15 March take to belate exam kelatip pasantri March kedan exam tekine ki nomor ke qualify live ho tame nomor bayo benkong dari saus pasau dan pra anriu ter hadu fi pra kendai pra not ini ki nomor ki don ki nomor mo tes check itu bala dab ban late exam nam takine fi qualify em nam taka personal interview dalam personal fi qualify nam tas personal interview all the best nam ta jong phi bade bakane te ka personal interview kan dei khat ar barkalai terwujud ar jarapsan post yang step kan long beha po office jong ambekla public service commission te bihaban download biang ya ka intimation letter nam ta ka personal interview dengan poi minta ka result jong ka LDA mo kane LDA the head of department 2025 ini akan labun bahwa kali the result of the screening test to the post of lower division assistant the various head of department November 2024 held on 22nd March 2025 penlong at March te ka result lami nam takane te giba qualify nam takane ki don kumba shispa tame a candidate te all the best nam takane shispa ngut performa nam taka personal interview kre bah puli bah ban la ba pen pas ba pen poi ban yo ya kane ka kam ka personal interview takane kan long khandriu khanyo ka prat khandai arpho jong jun arjar arsan sposteng po office jong kameklia public service commission lowara chumel shillong te phaban download ya ki intimation letter nam taban lek shaka personal interview so check kirun bar jong adi ngathai nang ikan mau hi kirun bar jong adi te qualify ne em nam takane tangkane hi kijing tip nam takane te all the best nam ta kini ki bala qualify nam tak personal interview habo artali post tangine kijing tip Fresh one.